Welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can clear the drive C without formatting anything. If you see the drive as this symbol, it means this drive contains the operating system. But if the drives look like this, it means it is very full, and this may affect the functionality of the operating system. So step 1, click on your keyboard, click Windows key plus R. This will open the dialog box. In the dialog box, type this word, the sign for percentage, then type temp, then put percentage sign at last. What this does is it will open the files which are kept but not used. You need to delete these files. Some files are used. Files which are used, just click on skip. These files will not be deleted. In the cycle bin, you need to delete. You press delete and these files will be deleted permanently. After it finishes to delete, let's go back. We check the drive size. You can see that it has reduced. So this is how you can clear the drive C without formatting anything. Thank you very much for watching this video.